This is the Narwal X Plus, a budget-friendly robot vacuum and mop that still packs a punch. And to start off, let's unbox this vacuum and see what it comes with. Okay, so we've got a packaging list. We got an instruction manual here, a cable, another filter set, the actual vacuum itself. Oh, I see, you slide it out and then you can wash the pad. They have some extra ones in here. And last but not least, the little dock, which actually looks pretty stylish. And then you have the dustbin here that goes into the front, the water for the mop here in the back, and then the vacuum is in the front. Now let's quickly run over some of the major specs of this vacuum. Now it comes with a mop. It's not a rotating mop, but it is a mop on there. It also has a zero tangle brush for the vacuum, which is really cool. And so far it hasn't really gotten any tangles. It has a 7800 PA suction power. It also self-contains the dust. Inside of it, you can put a bag or I guess the other insert, like a plastic insert. Now this also has a very advanced LiDAR system for going around. It has this big thing that spins on the top and then it has these sensors on the side. Tri-laser something is what they call it, but it does very well. It does a very symptomatic pattern and it maps out your whole area. Now the specs are not everything, so let's talk about some of the more important things like the app and the cleaning aspect of this vacuum. This app here is genuinely the best robot vacuuming app I've ever seen, and I mean I haven't seen that many, but it's good. So basically it tells you about the robot here, and then I can go into my home page on here. I can see it there. Then I can say, you know what, I want to do a vacuum, but I want to show you what's really cool. I can go into the 3D perspective by hitting that little top button, and now check this out. I have this little room here. I can move it all around. You see the little vacuum moving right there in that corner? That is so cool, and my phone's at 10%. That's not cool. And now the important part, the cleaning of this vacuum. And I'm probably not qualified to do this because I don't really have a problem with it not cleaning everything, but I have a fairly clean surface here that I'm gonna put some of this junk here on, and then we have the vacuum come over it, and we'll see how much of it stays here and how much is sucked up into the vacuum. I'll kind of spread it out a little bit to make it harder for the vacuum. Here it comes, here it comes. Okay, I hear something. There's like one piece there, one piece there. Some of this stuff is like, that is not actually a piece, that's just kind of like the concrete. I'm actually really impressed by that. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of that down in the comments. So check out this obstacle avoidance. Let's say your vacuum is coming along and something gets put in the way. Instead of just going and demolishing it, it goes very carefully around the object and continues going. That is so cool. And finally, we have to talk about the price. And here is where I think that this vacuum has its biggest win. It definitely does not have the best system with the mop, but most vacuums at this price point don't even have the mop. And to me, the best thing about this whole vacuum is just the quality is so high of the product and the app. It just works so well. I don't really see too many cut corners. Besides the mop, it literally feels like the same, if not better quality than my $1,200 robot vacuum that I've tested previously. So if you have $400 and you're looking for the best robot vacuum, then I would say this is probably it.